Electra claims to offer incredible AI solutions, but is it a groundbreaking innovation or just another digital mirage? Let's dive in. First, we need to check their foundation. A legitimate company proudly displays its team and physical address. So, we will check the About Us page to find the information to prove their existence. Often, red flags pop up if the About Us page is generic or lacking specifics and uses stock photos. Look at that, generic people that are not on the company directory. Now, let's play detective. We'll search the address listed on their site using Google Maps. A real business should have a verifiable location. If the address leads to a virtual office or doesn't exist at all, that's not a great sign. Oh, a generic office building that is not under Electra's name. User reviews are your best friend. We'll check Trustpilot and similar sites for feedback. Pay close attention to consistent complaints about hidden fees, broken promises, or difficulty getting support. Negative reviews are never a good sign for business. Look at all those angry customers posting their reviews. Sketchy companies often lure you in with suspiciously low prices or confusing subscription models. Before buying, take a hard look at the pricing page to see what is included. For example, look at the pricing difference. What you get from the expensive plans versus the cheapest plans. Finally, compare Electra's website to known scam patterns. Do the website graphics seem low quality or hastily assembled? If the website looks shady, it is a pretty bad sign. It seems it is a clone from different websites. Based on our research, proceed with extreme caution. The lack of transparency and negative reviews are definite red flags. Do your homework before investing.